One of my most recommended devices in 2022 is the Note Air 2 and the Note Air 2 Plus, but maybe the cases aren't quite doing it for you. The Note Air 2 Plus can have this magnetic case, which is very nice. It even has a loop to keep your pen a bit safer on the side. Note Air 2 doesn't have magnets on the back, but can have this bucket case, and one advantage of this kind of bucket case is that it can do tent mode, for instance if you want to use it like an Eink typewriter, which is a great use of these devices. A bit harder to get in or out. But maybe either those cases are a bit too expensive for you, or they're not quite doing it for you for any other reason. Maybe you want something which can go into more positions, or maybe the colours just don't quite suit you. So thank you very much to DONGZHU, who have sent me out, they were a bit go big or go home on this one, who have sent me out every colour of case that they make. So let's get these out of the packaging and have a look at them today. So these are good. I quite like the different modes that you can have. I like the vertical stand, and I particularly like the painting angles. So far, I quite like this blue with the blue. It's pretty nice actually. I mean, I've talked about this blue being a bit brash for my tastes, but actually, that looks pretty nice together. I'm thinking I'll try this out for a little while, and I'll maybe match one to every outfit. Match one to every tie maybe. The only one I might struggle with is the pink. Don't know whether I have a pink tie to match that to. Actually, I'm pretty sure I do have a wedding tie that would go well with. If you're somebody that knows you're going to want versatility, for instance, vertical, tent mode, or the kind of relaxed kind of painting angle that you can do by simply flipping it over. That is a nice mode to allow you to draw on. I like that versatility. So maybe you're somebody that wants that versatility. The great thing is that these Boox devices do have the auto rotate, so that won't be a fuss having to actually rotate it manually. Also, one thing I've noticed about them is that you can charge whilst they're in the case. They do have the pen holder on the back if you're at all worried about the magnetic pen slipping off in your bag. Nice. There is of course a link in the description should you choose to go for these. How about the lime green with the green of the Note Air 2 Plus? This is a nice use case as a mechanical keyboard. This is the Keychron, I think K3. I'll have to look that back up again. Let me know if you want a review on this one. This has red switches. They're the linear quieter of these switches. The black one. Possibly the black might look best with the Note Air 2 Plus. Yeah, that's pretty slick. Thanks so much for sending that out, DONGZHU, and let me know what you think in the comments below, audience.